Hello, thank you so much for joining me here today. I really appreciate your time. I just have a few questions for you. Can you share with us some details about why you decided to go solar?
Okay. To going to solar, I think one big impact is environmental friendly. Okay, and that the solar energy is a renewable itself, and I think it's a benefit. Main benefit is for the environment, and the second thing is for when I start this in my area, I'm like the few household install that at a very early time. There's several benefits. One is a federal tax benefit. Second thing is for our state, Illinois, we also have the state tax benefit also. So, and then when the whole thing is after we finish the whole thing, and then the current solar bill, the solar panel can cover like most of our house normal usage. And in the good days, I think I even have maybe not a couple of dollars, maybe $1 is like put in my bucket every day. So, and it's a pretty good. Okay, and also it's definitely at the beginning it's need a front investment. So, but for the long run, like the house, okay, if you like to calculate like 20 years, then you will see the benefit. And at the same time, you think about you save the environment. And currently, our city is pretty good. It's just like 1 cent to a cent, 1 cent to the solar panel when we generate electricity, and then the city pay us as when they charge us in the winter time. So it's the same price. So it's a pretty good deal for us. So we like the solar panel.
That's fantastic. And you would recommend your closest friends and neighbors to obviously go solar at some point in time if they're not, right?
No, yes, definitely I will. I definitely recommend this to anybody I know. So yeah, the only thing is you just need a little bit front money for that.
Right. Now, last question for you. Can you share with us when did you see the difference in your utility bill, and give us an example of a before and after?
Okay, for us, like in the summertime, all the electricity bill actually is a pretty hefty when you use air condition during the summertime. But after we install the solar, usually in the summertime, actually we can make some money. Yeah, in the Illinois, a little bit of cold during the winter time. So it's basically, I think the whole solar panel right now is covered like I would say 90% of my electricity cost year round. So
Nice.
Yeah, that's a pretty good deal.
Amazing. And what is the difference you've seen in your utility bill? So what was it before and what is it now?
Before, okay, our utility bill is a little bit special, where our city is served as our electricity and the water provider. Okay, so our electricity bill and water bill is coming together. So, but now is in some of the bill, I can see electricity actually make me money, and not only cover my normal usage on the electricity, and also cover some of my water during the good days. Yeah, Illinois, Chicago area, I think the winter from the October to next, March, the solar panel not work very well in the cold weather. So, but still in the summertime, it's covered pretty good.
Amazing. Fantastic. Well, thank you so much for your time today, and I really appreciate you answering these questions for us.
Okay, thank you.